Hello everyone, in this video we will see how you can host a static website on our EC2 instance. Okay, so in this video what we are going to do is that we will create a EC2 instance and then we will be installing Nginx there, and after that we are going to basically host this website. I have this index.html single page website, so that we are going to host it on the Nginx web server. So you can give the name of your instance anything, like here it was cake bliss was written, so I will write the same. You can choose the OS, Ubuntu, as we are going to install Nginx in this Ubuntu only. And instant type you can use like T2 micro, that's fine. Keep here I will leave it as it is. I will not use keep here now. So I will just go and launch the instance and proceed without keep here, because why I will be only using this we get that button of connect, right? So that only I'll be using to log in into my server. So once it's done, after that we'll be just installing the Nginx. So once instance is up and running, then we will just host our website. Okay, so okay, now it's running. I can just go and connect. So let's connect from here. So once connection is done, and also one more thing what we have to do is you have to go into the security here, and you have to allow the inbound rule. Like you need to edit that inbound rule for your security group. Like you need to add port 80 actually there. Okay, so you can just go and add rule, and you can give the port as 80, and which we will allow from anywhere. Okay, so if even if you want to host your static website, your portfolio, you can just host it here and you can send the IP to your friend. So now what we have to do is you need to first of all update the like packages. So you can just run the command that sudo apt update. So once it's done, you need to install Nginx. Okay, that will take just few seconds of time. You need to wait here. Okay, it's done. Now let me just clear the screen, and you can now run the sudo apt install Nginx -y. Okay, so why -y? So because you don't need to manually type yes, so that's why I use -y here. So what is Nginx? Nginx is basically a web server. If you want to check the status of Nginx, you can just do sudo systemctl status Nginx. Okay, so it's active and running. So now, what if I go and see, like what we can say, the IP and what's running on the port 80. So you will see the default page of your Nginx server. So if I just go here and type this one, so here you can see default page of Nginx is showing. But now what we are going to do in what www html, if you go here and do ls, so actually this is the page Nginx is basically serving. So if you want to change something in this page, so if I go here and change something like welcome Nginx and just save it. Okay, okay, I need to log in as a root as I don't have permission, so you can just do sudo -i to go as a root. Okay, now if I change here and if we just do it instead of welcome to, we will just write welcome. And if I just reload it, so you will see it changed this one. Here you will see the change. You won't see the change here because we didn't change the header. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will simply do vi, and I will delete all these lines. Okay, so you can just delete it using type any number and then dd. It will delete that much number of lines. Okay, so now let me just copy this page and just paste it here and save it. So it could be any website. So it's just a sample a static website. Okay, so now you will see here I have this page of index.html hosted on Nginx web server. So in this way, you can simply just install Nginx and host a simple basic static website. So yeah, that's it for this video, and make sure you have added this one in your security group, the port number. So that's it for this video, and I will see you next one, and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys.